Hi, my name is Ben Norris and I'm the creator of Kylie for Flood charity. After watching countless images on the flood and hearing stories that could only be described as terrifying, I started this group on Facebook yesterday. I started this group as I hoped that it would allow me the opportunity to help the families that have been affected in Queensland. This is using this medium of technology at its best. I really want people to see that one person can make an impact, that we can make a difference. Too many people are frightened by watching these images and feel powerless. I want to change that. Even if a concert isn't the result, I want to give people something to think about, something that they can do. As of today, in Australia, the flood death toll has risen to 14. 70 people are still missing. Some people will be homeless for months after 7,500 homes were destroyed. Over 4,000 people are currently in evacuation centres right now. 75% of Queensland is declared a natural disaster zone. It is not just the people who have been affected by these floods. Animals too are suffering terribly. Domestic pets, wild animals and commercial livestock have all been caught up in this disaster. Brisbane's RSPCA operational shelters are turning people and calls away. These events are not to be sensationalised. What we need is money, and what we need is support. As the government totals the cost of this devastation, we need to not only ask ourselves, how does this make us feel, but what is it that we can do? Every day I'm hoping to achieve 1,000 new people to join the group, and so far I look like I'm making my target. At this opportunity I'd like to thank Nova FM and Millie Minogue and Dylan Lewis for their support. I'd also like to thank Liz Rawson, Jodie Ford, Nicola Browning, William Monsoon, Grace Lum, Jared Shelley, Scott Wallace-Baker, Damien Michael, Ben Williams, Sarah Needham, Tanya Dwyer, and Kate and Tatsy for adding people today. This is a viral campaign and it will only work with numbers. Please take the opportunity to post these comments, these videos, and these messages to your other friends, colleagues, and family, as your support will make a difference.